Hey guys, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I just got done writing feedback and I looked over at my puppets that I put away and I'm a little freaked out. I swear I didn't do this. Oh my god, what is going on over here? What? Why? Don't do that. Oh my god. If stuffed animals are alive when we're not looking, that one needs to not be next to Meg. She wants to eat his arm. What? Oh my goodness, guys. You're in timeout over there. Okay, put her over there. Meg's gonna separate the two. You stop opening your mouth. That's creepy. Stop. Oh my goodness. I thought I would share that laugh with you guys. I looked over and I'm like, my puppets are cannibals. I swear I did not stage that on purpose. Oh my goodness.